So today's video is going to be about how to remove stickers from your vehicle on the painted surfaces. Have you got stickers? You want them removed? Check this video out because I got three options. I've got cheap, medium expensive, and super expensive to remove stickers. I'll just show you really quick the cheap, the medium expensive, and the super expensive way how to remove stickers. The cheapest way is going to be right here. It's a plastic razor blade. This looks like a metal razor blade, but it's not. It's plastic. You can use this on the painted surface and it should be almost totally fine. You might scratch the paint a little bit, but nothing too bad that you can't polish out. Then the medium pricey way, the medium expensive way of removing stickers is a heat gun like this. It can help you out with your plastic razor here. It will slightly speed up the chances. I don't really prefer this way because it gets a little bit too hot and it's a little bit dry. And then the most expensive way is to get a steam cleaner. I have a really expensive steam cleaner, so this just happens to be an expensive way, but you can use a cheap steam cleaner as well. This happens to be my most favorite way. It's a little bit slower. The heat gun's faster, but the steam cleaner is a little bit nicer because you're heating up the sticker, which is making it easier to remove, but you're also incorporating some water into that, and it's just making things slip and slide a little bit. So let's get into it and let's check out how to remove the stickers from this truck. These stickers here aren't that crazy. Stickers, they're not nightmare stickers, they're really nice stickers to actually be removing, so this won't be too bad. Alright, so as I was saying before, the cheapest way to remove these stickers is with this plastic razor blade here. These are great, they're super cheap. You buy them in a pack of 100 or 200 or something like that, and you just use them up and you toss them. They don't hurt the paint. They might do a little bit of scratching, but nothing too serious that you can't remove with from using a quick polish. But if you don't want to use these plastic razor blades, there's something more reusable here. This is just some kind of plastic scraper you can get. I'm not even sure the name of this thing. I just found this thing somewhere along my journeys and it works pretty good for removing stickers too, but I prefer the plastic razor because it's kind of sharp at first when they're brand new and you can really get under the stickers. These stickers nowadays on most vehicles are really nice because they come off pretty easy. They don't have too much residue. Removing stickers nowadays are pretty easy. Once in a while you can get a nightmare sticker where you pull it off and it's just got the crazy glue on there that doesn't want to come off no matter what, and that can be a hassle. But this is a really nice, easy sticker, very typical of what you'd see. Basically no residues left behind. So the easiest way is just to get at it and just scrape it off with your plastic razor. And you can be pretty aggressive with this plastic razor and not damage anything, the paint or the clear coat. And it won't matter since you'll have to do a polish anyway once you remove the sticker because it'll be etched in. And look at that, it comes off super easy, but it kind of feels a little bit grabby, a little bit aggressive, like if this vehicle was repainted or had bad paint, that the sticker would remove some of the paint with it. So to be a little bit more cautious, you can add some heat. These heat guns help out a lot. They're super quick, they're fairly cheap, and it's really easy just to grab your heat gun, plug it in, and just give it a little touch of heat, and it'll just make the whole process a little bit easier. That's a nice satisfying pull. You can kind of add the heat to it a little bit there so that when you're pulling, it's not being too grippy. The glue is releasing because it's getting warm, and it just lowers your chance of actually pulling off paint while removing a sticker. I removed quite a few stickers now. I've never yet pulled paint off from doing a sticker, so Every single vehicle that has had stickers on it has had good paint. In my opinion here, the most expensive option is to use your steam cleaner, but it's also my most favorite. I like this better than the heat gun because this doesn't get as hot as the heat gun. The heat gun gets a little bit too hot. You can melt the sticker. You can burn your fingertips. The steam only gets as hot as steam gets, which is whatever that temperature is. I don't know, slightly above boiling water or maybe hotter. But the heat gun, it gets to like 1200 degrees Fahrenheit or Celsius, which is pretty crazy hot. And the same technique with the steam cleaner, you just heat up the surface, get the glue nice and soft so that it releases easy, and then just peel it off. The main reason why I really like using the steam cleaner is because it gets the painted surface wet, and then your plastic razor can slide on the wet painted surface, and then it just adds a little bit of lubrication, and it just feels like you're less likely to do damage, even though it really doesn't matter. But I like the steam cleaner, it helps out a lot. Oh, I couldn't get it in one pull. So I got the sticker removed now, and you can't really tell on camera. It's a lot harder to see, but in person you can see that the sticker has etched into this white paint. This is a pretty new truck, and the sticker hasn't been on for too long, so it hasn't etched in too bad, but I still have to do a quick polish on here. And I'm just going to show you the polisher that I'm using. I'm using the Beast on this one. This polisher has been my go-to for more of like professional polishing, and on here I'm just going to be using a blue Lake Country pad and some of the DIY Detail Gold Standard polish. I'll just give it a couple dabs on there, and I'm just going to give this a quick polish. There's a little bit down here, maybe you can see this, you can really see the writing here. Again, it's really hard to see because this is a white truck, and I don't think these decals have been on here for too long, so it shouldn't be too bad. And I'm just gonna polish where the decal was. I'm not gonna go all over and polish around here. I'm just gonna keep this project on budget and polish where I need to be. I know this customer, this is a dealership, and they just want as little done as possible, so I'll do that for them. It's not a problem. And basically, yeah, just a quick standard polish. I'm just gonna hit it, polish in there, nice and simple, and that's about it. All right, I've given the panel a quick polish now, and I think it should be good. I'm just gonna give it a quick wipe down. I got my Kirk Franklin microfiber here, and I've got just a little bit of water mixed with a splash of isopropanol just to cut through the polish. All right, there we go. So you can't really see it in camera. You're just gonna have to trust me when I say that the sticker was etched into the paint here, and that I removed it with just a quick polish. It didn't take much. I just touched it with a one step quickly, and it looks pretty good. All right, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. 3 ways to remove stickers from your vehicle. The cheap way with just razor, a little bit more higher budget with the razor and the heat gun, and then the expensive way with the plastic razor and a really nice steam cleaner. So yeah, just get at it. Just lock in and do it. You got it. See ya.